Do you want people to admire and respect you while you stay true to yourself and does not care about what others think? Everybody loves to be irresistible, but it takes some effort and qualities. These irresistible traits are not very common in this video. We will let you know some valuable qualities with example and tips to become irresistible and gain the respect of others. These qualities do not come naturally and you have to do a lot of hard work to achieve some of them. Make sure not to miss any of these qualities. Number 10, independence. Independence can be earned with emotional stability and hard work. As human being, every one of us is dependent on someone in our lives. However, if you want to become stable, learn to become independent. Independent can be of various type of example: emotional independence or financially independence. You need both of them to be free and respected. People do not respect those who are depend on others. They look up to people who do hard work on and boosted self-esteem. Independence give you power, respect and freedom. When you are independent, no one can control you and your freedom to do whatever you want. People will follow you and that gives you the power to lead or do think that a powerful person could do. Number 9, believe in yourself. To become irresistible to other, you must first believe in your own irresistible. After all, if you do not trust yourself, how can you expect other to have faith in your? Believing in yourself can increase your potential and make you more productive. If you think positively, you can boost your self-esteem. It means you trust your capabilities to do your task or to do whatever you want. You can inspire other people to believe in themselves. Self doubt if you common in people and negative thinking that makes them irresistible to takes risk and making progress. Self doubt will make you uncertain whether you can become success or not. This thinking makes you lazy and procrastinate. Take the price of hard work. Number 8, you can survive alone. Surviving alone is a difficult task. It does not mean cutting off your connection with people, but it does not mean that you are not afraid.